Hikvision's success in the video surveillance market established the company as one of the world's top digital video camera manufacturers for non-production professional use. With the growing demand for automated manufacturing, the company now ventures into the realm of machine and smart vision. The product line covers an entire series of industrial cameras, lenses, vision software platforms, vision box, and smart cameras. Applications include high-tech products, metal processing, industrial automation, logistics processing, etc. These cameras help achieve fast and accurate positioning guidance, dimension measurement, and identification. The Hikvision machine vision products support a wide range of industry-accepted interfaces such as GigE and USB 3.0. This ensures the greatest adaptiveness for different infrastructure parameters such as distance, cabling, and bandwidth requirements. This also enables the system designer to make use of a wide variety of third-party software and automation components that best suit their needs. Every application requires a different set of parameters, from ultra-high resolution of up to 29 megapixels to super high frame rate at 376 frames per second. Hikvision's wide selection of machine vision products will fit most automation needs. Hikvision also offers a full spectrum of lenses to fit all sensor sizes and resolutions. In addition to high-quality standard lenses, telecentric lenses are also offered for applications that require reduced object magnification and respect to distance from the lens. In situations where complete images are taken in rapid succession, area scan sensors are used. For shooting long, continuous objects moving at constant speeds, line scan sensors are used. Hikvision's offerings is complete with both types of situations, making it a truly versatile choice. The integration of Hikvision's machine vision products helps industries achieve substantial increases in efficiency and accuracy, minimizing costs and maximizing profitability. To find out more information about Hikvision machine vision products, click the link below. And thank you again.